Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kajing ikendo jeng arngot ki menteri rangba kentop ya kejala Assam ban Meghalaya halangpi ban pet ya kejinglong jeman jeng kijaka ban aimen sem hakejuk kapor ban pentep syaki patba baki ar sarkar kidani kejing temu ban penorlong ya uput Assam kala urlong hakaba hakasngi ba art katayo daladihi lawan menyu kejat halangpi da kejingwan man sakhilang ki hajar ngot ki patba nong snong kate kathan bakentop nadu kejat bendri Nepali garo bat kasi Kate kejing kendo jeki arngot ki menteri kelalong ru ling ba kejing penlong ya kejing yalang halangpi. Hakani kejing yalang na kaliang menteri rangba ke sarkar Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma. Ula pentik kena daga baong. Yanam ya kalangpi. Hendrai kedi bendan bait ha kejing penbait uput Assam ha kepor ke babiang bar kejing sengohun. Hakani kesengi ya menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya lasen ranlang do ba Taniktan El Tangkhar menteri ke sarkar jela Bolong ru unoi lam ke regional committee ki MLA bakentop yo ba Macmillan Bersat MLA Nongstan ba Kemfa Marbanyang MLA Rambrai Jerngam uba Bajap Pingro MDC ke Rambrai kadba yo menteri rangba ke Assam la sendang lang do menteri ketenat kedep kadang jong ke sarkar Assam u Atul Bora la sendang lang deka Nandita Das MLA haringkat ki he officer jeki atli ki jela bat kiwi de.
At the very outset, I would like to thank Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have, and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Lampi area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is like an elder brother to me, and myself, we decided that we need to do something about this. We decided that yes, this may be a very, very complex problem. There may be a lot of emotions, but it is our duty as leaders of the states to try and find a way forward. If we don't try, if we don't move forward, we will be failing in our responsibility that you, the people of Assam and Meghalaya, have bestowed on both of us.
As we all know that Meghalaya was created in 1972. State of Meghalaya is going to celebrate its Golden Jubilee 1 year from now. And also this is a historical fact that before creation of Meghalaya, we used to remain in a united state called Assam. Whatever may be the historical reason, when we bifurcated Meghalaya from state of Assam, certain dispute stayed for long and those disputes are still existed. All along, I am of the view that if in the year 1972 itself, the border would have been delineated properly before creation of state of Meghalaya, probably the history would have gone in a different way. Assam, right from the beginning, we have never opposed creation of states which were carved out of Assam, and unlike many other states, Assam always feels good when we are referred as a people of Northeast or as a citizen of Northeast. In fact, it is a customary in all our cultural festivals and everywhere. We always refer Northeast as a Hat Bhoni, or we always celebrate the spirit of Northeast. It is also a fact that we have dispute on borders, and that dispute is always becoming a irritating factor in the spirit of Northeast, or whenever we like to work collectively as a citizen of Northeast, those irritating factor keeps on emerging, and sometimes it also goes to a different line, or things goes beyond our control. After I assumed power, of course before that also we used to informally discuss this issue with my esteemed colleague Sri Conrad Sangma, that Assam and Meghalaya we need to resolve our border dispute for the interest of both states. But when I assumed the chair of Chief Minister of Assam, I traveled down to Shillong, and I have requested Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya that let us try to resolve the dispute so that we maintain our age-old tie, age-old relationship, and also Assam and Meghalaya collectively set the tune of United Northeast for the benefit of entire region. We have identified, both the government has identified that we have 12 disputes. Out of that, we have created regional committees on both the sides, and regional committees have started their work on 6 disputed sites. One minister from government of Assam and one minister from government of Meghalaya, together with the team, with the regional committee constituted with the members across the political line, has started visiting those disputed sites. Today, I am very happy to inform you that we have already concluded the visit of 6 disputed sites, and they have taken, both the committees has taken the views of the people, they have considered the administrative contiguity and all other factors, and I am of the view that the committee is going to submit their report soon to the respective chief ministers. One, we have the report in our hand. Both the state governments will sit down again and will try to resolve the dispute in the first phase concerning the 6 points. As has been said by Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, we have not included Lampi in the first phase because we all agree that for resolving Lampi issue, we need to have an extensive dialogue with the citizen of Assam and Meghalaya. We have to work on ground zero. We have to look at the historical fact. We have to look at the constitutional issues. We have to look at the entire dispute so that very systematically, so that once we resolve it, there is no issue we leave for our future generation. If we resolve the issue, we should resolve it finally. We should not go for advocating. For that point of view, we have kept Lampi for the second phase. However, it is also important to assure the people of Lampi or the people of both sides of the border that no, we are not leaving Lampi at all. It is only the fact that we will take up the Lampi in the second phase, and it is not that we are not going to resolve the Lampi dispute at all. So that is why today Sri Sangma and I, along with our colleague, have come to Lampi to reassure that with the spirit of friendship, with the spirit of Northeast, we are going to resolve this Lampi dispute also in the days to come. Today we have gone through a presentation prepared by the district administration of Kamrup. In the next over a period, we will definitely go through the presentation which will be presented before us by the district administration of Nongstoin also. Because we need to hear both the sides. And definitely we are going to hear both sides more extensively. But there are 2 or 3 issues which often come up before us. Now we all know that we have to vaccinate people against COVID-19. Now which state will vaccinate? For that should we fight? Now we need to give mobile tower to the people of Lampi, because I know the Lampi people has no mobile tower. Now that tower will be given by either Airtel or Reliance, neither by the both the governments. Should we fight for that? Now people of Lampi need electricity. Our children has a right for education. We have a right for better roads. Are we going to stop each other? I think we have to create confidence building measures here. Today we have tentatively decided, not finally, that whenever some schemes will come from central government, like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Saubhagya Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, collectively both the Deputy Commissioner will discuss along with the public representative from both the sides, and we will try to see so that we can give maximum benefit of the central government schemes to the people of Lampi, where irrespective of his caste, creed, nationality.